Hi everybody, I hope everyone's enjoying another new day so far. But as you can probably guess, not exactly the most beautiful day out there. But we're not going to let that stop us. And as you can see, it's also cold, hence the hat. Very warm hat too, mind you. Sorry about that, guys. It does that. Anyways, let's go ahead and take on our day. Those of you who want to know what I mean by the day not being all that beautiful. As you can probably see by now, it's raining. Luckily, this phone has a case on it. Yep, it was pouring down right earlier. So it's not surprising that part of the sidewalk is now flooded down there at the end. Well, everyone, as you can probably tell, it's back to raining again. Can't say I'm surprised, to be honest. It looks like that sidewalk may be flooding again. But I figured I'd complete using this iPhone because, complete using the iPhone for my videos because the clips don't really want to transfer. But anyways, guys, I actually had a decent dinner tonight. At least decent tasting, not my favorite one. Wasn't bad though. However, I will be heading out maybe tomorrow. I may end up walking on Thanksgiving Day, go to a friend's place, which means I may need someone to let me keep a key. Gonna have to get in contact with Robbie about it. That's why my info was a little off. It's not exactly flooded. There's a little puddle though. Sorry guys. Looks like I gotta clean the camera off. This is unexpected, the way it ended up turning out. Sorry about this, guys. If I could, I would. I would fix it if I could. Let's see if I can take care of this the right way here. Yeah, I got it to focus. So I did manage. Well guys, it is about that time. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified of every new upload on my channel. Also guys, if you haven't already, I would like for you to check out the links to my social media, all in the bio. Sorry, I'm a little distracted there. Not only that, guys, but I would like for you to check out my referral links for Epidemic Sound, Amazon Prime, SoundJade, and Fiverr. Not only that, but I am also a freelancer on Fiverr, so if you guys would like to check out what I do there. Link to that is also on the bio. Link to my merch is at the very top of the bio if you guys would like to buy some merch. I'm pretty sure that covers it, so I hope you guys enjoyed your day, and I'll see you next video. Peace out.